on the Yamaha. Next to him, Randy Mamola on the Honda. Kenny Roberts on the Yamaha. Australian Wayne Gardner on the Honda UK machine. The clutches are engaged. Away they go. Mamola is out in front, and so too is Roberts. Roberts, number 2 on the right of your picture. Looks as though he's going to peel off first, but Mamola may have a quicker line. The team racers had problems with tyres, problems with the balance, falling off a wheel, but this man, no problems at all. He's won 2 races out of 3, finished 3rd in the other one, and Wayne Gardner's really getting amongst them. And Gardner is having a go. The Honda UK rider who rode so well in Misano, Kenny Roberts behind him, then Mike Baldwin, Spencer there, Dave Alder. That is Kenny Roberts, 3-time 500cc world champion on the Yamaha. Mike Baldwin there, just behind him, and Eddie Lawson, 3-cylinder Honda, and Gardner on the production bar.
And that's starting number 8 there with 120 brake horsepower compared with Mamola of number 3 with 100.
Well, Gardner riding well at the moment in 2nd place, putting Mamola under pressure. Wayne keen to have a Grand Prix career and goes round the outside, or looks for a way round the outside. The rest of the field goes through PQ and Barry Sheep, coming into a 3-way scrap. Roberts, that's Eddie Lawson in 4th place. The end of the 2nd lap, Mamola leads. Yes, this is he's outed Baldwin. And the change up in the front there, that was Gardner looking for a way through, and Mamola diving across the front of him. So Gardner must have had a moment out in front. And another 3 riders, nose to tail. It's Mamola for America on the Honda in the lead. Wayne Gardner for the British Commonwealth team. From Australia in 2nd place, Kenny Roberts. And Gardner looked the wrong way, and of Lawson, so Spencer is 4th. 2 changes there as they go into the chicane. The end of the 3rd lap. Mamola is in the lead. Kenny Roberts. Well, Gardner under pressure now. In fact, Gardner having a go at Roberts. Gardner trying the inside line, but has to ease off, and Roberts now in the hurt his arm, and the efforts of winding on the throttles. And we've got a 5-way dive going on there for the lead. Here they come. Spencer passes Gardner by outbraking Spencer, but Spencer outguns him. Spencer is back to 3rd place. The Honda, factory Honda, quicker than the Honda UK machine. Mamola leads. Roberts 2nd. Spencer is 3rd. Gardner is 4th, and Eddie Lawson is 5th. But Gardner is fighting away as they were almost side by side, riding 3 on a bike at one stage there. Mamola leads. Number 3, number 2, Mamola. When still 5 of them, more changes to come up down the straight on braking. Spencer looking for the inside line, and he's got it. Gardner and Lawson. 5 laps on, 1 per stage, and Spencer is looking for the lead. Mamola is there. Spencer looking for the outside line. He'll come through on the inside, accelerate hard. Mamola number 3, 2nd, number 2, Roberts. There's Spencer going through, the 5 of them. Then it's Rob McElney and Ron Haslam who was last. Number 4, Mamola, Randy Mamola, 24 years of age. 33-year-old Kenny Roberts behind him, and Eddie Lawson. Wayne Gardner, there's Ron Haslam, number 5. 9th, this is Ron Haslam. He is in 6th place at the moment. Rob McElney is in 7th place. Mike Baldwin. And Spencer, using the superior power and acceleration, the 4-cylinder Honda, is stretching the advantage over these 2 men. Mamola number 3, using 2nd place. Number 2, Kenny Roberts is 3rd. He saw the back end of the bike then just bounce on the tarmac. Roberts ignores it. 3 of them side by side almost. There's Gardner, there's Haslam, there's McElney. The front wheel. 8 laps completed. Spencer leads. Mamola number 3 is 2nd. Number 4, Lawson is 3rd. Number 2, Roberts is 4th. And they're sliding these 500. And Lawson in turn decides that he can play that game.
That was an interesting overtaking manoeuvre because Kenny Roberts,
it looks so easy, but they're riding record-breaking pace on high motorcycles, producing an awful lot of power with just a little bit of rubber between them and the road, both on the front and back wheels.
all these riders have different idea what to use.
Oh, you saw the back end there. You saw the slide then. The front and back wheels were not in line. That was a broadside. And watch Spencer go through the chicane here. Watch him use the knee down on the tarmac there as a 3rd wheel over the other side, down again. What a style. this three-sport Louisiana rider is. 10 laps completed. Spencer out in front. To another, and he, for a 33-year-old racing motorcyclist, he is remarkable. Mamola, a much younger man, 4 years of age here. No problems this time. Inline Mamola, Robert Lawson. Spencer then in 5th place. So Ron Hasler is now in 5th spot. He was 11th on the first lap. He had to start at the tail end of the grid.
The 3 Hondas, and McElnay behind is on the square 4 Suzuki. He's the first of the Suzuki riders.
The race leader. There's Robert second, Mamola is third now, and Lawson is fourth. The picture. 12 laps completed, 3 more to go, and these 3 men still disputing the battle. 2.6 seconds the gap between Freddie Spencer out in front and Randy Mamola, the man who holds second spot. Down the hill through Craner Curve. Mamola. Robert's quicker than
move over just where you want to go.
Mamola, short, stocky character, had decided almost to give this season and there is Barry Sheene at the moment down in 12th place, and really Barry will be very disappointed with this.
He had had some problems in practice. He was waiting for some new yokes for his Suzuki, his Harris frame Suzuki, but they haven't arrived, so he's got a few handling problems.
So Sheene with Keith Ewan in turn, 11th, 12th and 13th places. There though is the man out in front. He broke the lap record in every race, in all 3 races yesterday. You saw again that rear tyre just wide out away from him, but he just doesn't bat an eyelid, doesn't ease off the power at all. It's Spencer down through Craner Curve to Hollywood. His second team victory to his race win yesterday. Again, the knee on the tarmac. Under the bridge for the last time. He's got time for a long look over his right shoulder to see, or a tumble. Spencer's going to win this one, and when he does, the checkered flag, a big wheelie from Freddie Spencer. Who's he going to be for second though? Oh, almost side by side, and I think the judges will have to separate it. I think Mamola maybe by a wheel. Randy Mamola